You gonna hang out for a second? Or?
Yeah, I'll hang out for a second. I'm just pack all
Sure. I'm gonna walk over there and see my video.
Yeah, so it's weird. Remember, I think it is just the D-shot. That's why my shit is already weird.
But see, Phil runs D-shot, and his shit fires
do that?
right up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So maybe it's not. Whenever I flip my switch, I'll just leave it on for a second. So, like, fucking everything does whatever the fuck it needs to do, and then it'll spin my motors at once. And then I'll flip it back, and then flip down and it works.
Yeah. ESCs, I've never used ESCs. Yeah, true. Alright, yeah, for sure. I'm just gonna walk over here a little bit and see on the other side of this park. So, Flipside FPV, doing some freestyle after work today. Getting some weird video over here. We've never stood on this side of the park, so I'm actually walking over to the side where I know I get good reception. See if that's any different. I don't know. It's the first time I've seen these crazy lines through my screen, so I'll double check my wiring and stuff when I get home just to make sure. But hopefully maybe we're just too close to like that power box or something over there. I don't know. It's funny, I've stood on a damn power box before, so let's hope it was something stupid like that though. That'd be really nice. We'll go round 2, second battery. I fall in love too easily. 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 That was definitely a reception issue because of wherever I was standing over there. I just got amazing, immaculately clear video. Amazingly clear video. So, yeah, I think it's got to be something over there, a power box. Maybe I'm too close to somebody's house. There's a million things it could be as I walk up here. So I'm pretty sure I found why it's why I'm getting shitty video over here. But it's probably that. Some type of sensor, transponder, I don't know, man. I'm new to this hobby, guys, so I don't know. Get shitty video, move, right? There you go. Alrighty, y'all. Well, until next time, Flipside FPV. Gonna get everything all set up to go here. Alright, so to clarify, I don't make anything by bitch. I'm still learning. Yeah, my buddy Austin, guys. Get him into FPV as well. Gonna be on YouTube, homie, so looking sharp. He's gonna be on YouTube.